Well, right now we are working to get answers on the election to recall Jackson County Executive Frank White.
Yeah, a judge is set to decide when that will happen. Let's go to KMBC 9's Krista Tatchell, who's been in a downtown courtroom today. And Krista, has the judge in this case issued a ruling yet?
Chris, not today. He said he wanted the weekend to take more time to thoroughly review this case, but he did say that he may come back with a decision by the end of the day, Monday or early Tuesday, about the specific date that will set the recall election for Jackson County Executive Frank White. There were 6 attorneys in the courtroom today, all representing different parties, and none of the attorneys present contested if there would be a recall election. They were just arguing and presenting evidence to the judge about when, and we did get a few specific dates that were mentioned today. The hearing took just over an hour, and one of the dates supported by the citizens who forced the recall through petition signatures, over 43,000 of them. They want the election on August 26, as it's outlined in the county charter. The election boards of Kansas City and Jackson County say they can't serve 550,000 voters, have polling machines, polling places, and election judges ready by then to conduct an election properly. They also argue state law has already set an election time for this year, and that's November 4th. Then the county clerk has weighed in with her suggested dates, September 30th or October 7th. Plaintiffs involved wish the date would have been set today, and they say they want Frank White out of office as soon as possible.
He's lost in the weeds like he's been for quite a few years. This has nothing to do with the stadium. This is all to do with taxes, and property taxes now on the commercial are being raised. Now it's spreading to other counties around. And so this has got to end. We have to root out people like Frank White, or we're going to be consistently doing this in every county across the state.
The attorney representing the citizens of Jackson County listed in this lawsuit says that the county charter was very clear. They got the signatures certified, they were turned in, and the election should take place 60 days after that time. That's what the county charter says. Now, the state election, the county election board and Kansas City election board say it's going to be tough to get an election ready in that time, but they say it's not impossible. We're live in Independence. Krista Tatchell, KMBC 9 News.
Krista, thank you. And depending on the judge's ruling, Jackson County legislators will meet Monday afternoon on holding the recall election on November 4th.